Hey there, Matt Stout here, STR Loan Guy. If you're trying to get a loan on an existing short-term rental, sometimes the lender will need a income history. This video is how we would get that from Vrbo. There's a previous video I made about Airbnb, which is a different process. And if you're using an integrated software like OwnerRez, like I am, it's even a different process. But I'm going to show you what it would look like with Vrbo. So I first go in and I hit sign in. Then I'm going to go ahead and log in. And now I'm in my property. You can see my property here. I'm going to go over here to performance. Was it performance? There's something that says financial reporting here. Reservation man. There you go. Reservation manager, financial reporting. Then I'm going to select my date range. Now, I can't do this step, and I had to call Vrbo to ask them why. But the reason I can't do this step is because I'm using OwnerRez to manage all my bookings. So when I went to log in to do this in Vrbo, it's just no data found. And they told me that's because my property management software is managing it, so they don't keep record of it. But I called the lady. She said what you would do is the same thing. You would select a date range. You want to select the last consecutive 12 months. It should match the same dates that you gave us on Airbnb. And then it'll let you see the list itemized. But I don't want a CSV file. I want you to print it. And I believe that you would just go print to PDF. And then it's going to open it and it's going to show each item line by line. The last thing I need you to do is go to beginning of this dashboard, and I need to verify the address. So you're just going to take a screenshot and make sure you include the URL and this address, and then just send it over, and that should be it. If you have issues, you can always email us at greenteam@icansavemoney.com, and we're happy to help. Thanks.